Hello everybody, welcome back again to my vlog. My name is Melch and for today's video, this is our second episode of our staycation series. For today, since it is Mother's Day, we are celebrating it with a staycation. Binigyan nila ako ng surprise. I have flowers and my baby gave me a card. It says, Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. And I love you, Mom. So sweet. So adorable. And I'm gonna give you a quick room tour. Ito is a budget staycation lang, guys. Pero okay na. Now, I'm gonna give you a quick room tour, guys. We are staying in El Palacio Hotel in Noveleta, Cavite. So, pagpasok nyo ng room, makikita nyo agad ang 2 queen-size beds. So, this is bed number 1 and bed number 2. On this side, you will see there's a TV and TV rack. Pero pag tumingin kayo dito, andito na yung window with curtain. Spacious naman yung room, guys. Makikita nyo, andito yung aircon, andito yung dining table. And meron silang surprise cake for me because it's Mother's Day. Andito na yung mga complimentary drinks, kettle, and dito yung lagayan ng mga luggages. Ito naman ang quick view ng bathroom. So, yun yung shower area and ito yung toilet. Here it is. That is our quick room tour at Choose Your Best Answer.
Choose your bag.
Sinong kumakatok? And here's my baby. What can you say? It is
Mother's Day!
I love you.
I love you, Mom!
And over here naman, makikita nyo ang swimming pool. So, there's kiddie pool and there is an adult pool. May mga nagsiswimming na. They are also celebrating Mother's Day kasi nakita ko may flowers doon. Pero ito yung hallway ng second floor and our room is andon sa first room. So, today, magsiswimming ang aming chikiting. Kayla, are you going to swim?
Yeah! I am coming to swim!
We're here naman ngayon outside. Makikita nyo ang building mismo ng El Palacio. Meron dito mga chairs, lounges, and if you turn around here, makikita mo yung buong place. And meron din sila dito mga swing chairs. Di ko alam kung kasya ko dito, pero wag na nating i-risk. And kung hinahanap nyo kung nasa si Kayla, tara, puntahan natin sila. Meron din sila ditong bar. This is the El Palacio Hotel Bar. And on this side, makikita nyo yung brickwood. Parang gusto ko nito. Parang masarap, no? Tara, puntahan natin sila. Hi! So, nandito sila ngayon nag-e-enjoy mag-swimming. Kayla, how's the water?
I just saw a whirlpool just whirling around and then it just disappeared.
How's the water?
It's very warm. And
You like
what's this? It's very little malalim, but it's okay. I can still sun.
Can you do cannonball?
Yeah, I can do
Okay,
it.
ready?
Yeah.
Cannonball!
Cannonball!
Yay! Nag-e-enjoy sila. Tapos, kung ito yung kiddie pool, meron din silang adult pool dito. Hanggang 5 feet yan, pababa. Hanggang doon sa dulo. Pero dahil anong oras na, magmerienda naman tayo. Dito din sa side na to, makikita nyo ang function hall nila. I think function hall to kasi meron siya sa taas ganun. Pero hindi na namin yan pumasok kasi we're located. Nandun yung room namin sa second floor. Tara, mag-order tayo ng food. We're here inside Brickwood. It's merienda time. Dahil merienda pa lang, nag-scan lang kami ng mga for dinner namin later for celebration ng Mother's Day. And then for merienda, we got the nachos and then smoothies lang, mango and then house blend iced tea. Yun lang, pero meron silang mga chef specials dito. Madami silang menu, guys. And I think they look so delicious naman. As of now, we're just waiting for our orders. Nag-order lang kami ng merienda. Tapos, I went out to check for Kayla and ate kung kamusta sila nagsiswimming. Dito lang yun, paglabas ng pinto. Yung swimming pool. Ayan. And right now, I'm checking their menu kasi dito na lang din kami magsa-celebrate ng Mother's Day for dinner. Madami silang choices dito ng food. May steak nga sila pero parang masarap. Papakita ko sa inyo. Tada! What do you think? We'll go for Angus ribeye steak or seafood bucket Asian Cajun style. So, andito na yung una naming order. I'll show it to you guys. Tada! Here's the nachos. Looks so yummy. And we got our drinks. I got their berry mango shake. Promise. And ang in-order naman niya is house blend iced tea lang. Lagi itong pa-safe. Lumipat kami dito sa labas. And ito yung nachos namin. Look at that. And ito yung sa next step. Hirap ipakita. Ayan, salsa, yung beef, yung cheese, and may jalapeno. So, start eating.
Hello! Happy Mother's Day, Nanay! Sa vlog ni Merge. Hello sa vlog.
Happy Mother's Day!
Happy Mother's Day naka mo sa vlog. Ay, bayadiin ko na dapit.
So, let's start the nachos. Let's put the beef. Let's put some salsa. And let's put some cheese. Tata, cheese. And
Ayun, dito ha. Black lang man na.
Kalimutan ko, mayroon pa palang white sauce. So here's my baby. She's back from swimming. She's gonna eat. Okay. Yummy?
May mandaluyong. Ano to? Mandaluyong.
Why is it a bit spicy?
Oh, because of the salsa.
Ang baboy na salba na
And we have crispy pata. We've decided to just order our food. Hindi na kami dito sa restaurant kumain. But we have baliwag chicken, crispy pata, and rice. And Kayla will lead the prayer. Come on.
Dear God, thank you for the food we're about to eat. Just in name pray, amen.
Amen.
Now we can finally do.
And here's the crispy pata. Ta-da!
Wow!
So big and crispy. Let me try. Ooh.
Kumain ka.
Mm.
Patayin mo muna yan. Manood ka na lang. Diyan sa gilid. Isang subo. Isang tingin.
Dito namin nilagay yung sausawan. So, sada ng crispy pata. It's very good. So yummy.
Mine is very, very yummy and savory.
And here she is, devouring the crispy pata.
Hey, the tamba. High blood yarn.
They also have baliwag chicken.
This one is so yummy.
Yeah.
Right, Mom?
Yes.
I'm eating with spoon and everyone is with kamay.
Yes, because it's yummy.
But only princesses can only use spoon.
Harap. Sulit na yung crispy pata sa baliwag, guys.
Kanina pa kami nagkakaba. Yung lunch namin kanina, bagnet. Ngayon yung dinner, crispy pata and lunch na lang. Healthy.
Bagnet from Ilocos.
Yeah. Healthy kami. Healthy. Kamay niya. Kawawa naman siya. Habang bata pa, sa damuhan naghabulan. Crispy. Oh.
Is this the crispy? Guys, I'm almost done.
Almost done. And here we are. Ay.
Dali na ha.
Watching Reply 1988 in a cell phone. Dahil di gumagana Netflix sa TV. Good morning! It's the following day. Pupuntaan ko lang ang aking anak na nagsaswimming dito sa kiddie pool dahil kuhang-kuha niya ang buong pool. How's your swimming, anak?
Can you get the towel for me?
Okay.
Sa bulaklak po. May padahon. May padahon.
Order tayo ng coffee for breakfast. I think I'm gonna have... They have Brickwood Signature, my white choco and hazelnut, and caramel. Parang I want their milkshake. Strawberry milkshake?
Akala ko magkakape ka.
Hindi na? Or turtle pie frap. Kasi may coffee. Turtle pie frap na lang. Tapos bili tayo ng American breakfast. Share na lang us. Ano sa tingin nyo? Kukunin natin tong breakfast special or yung caramelized banana and bacon French toast. Our orders finally arrived. Ito na yung order ko. Ito ay white mocha frap. And sa kanya naman ay, I'll show you. Yan ay?
Caramel latte iced.
How is it?
So caramelly.
Gawa-gawa siya ng mga words, guys. Ako, so white mochi. Antay lang namin yung breakfast and nilipat kami dun sa may pool because my baby is swimming in the pool again. So here is the American breakfast. Meron silang pancake, sunny side up, bacon, sausage, and French toast. And lumipat kami ulit dito sa labas kasi nagbabantay ng aking nagsiswimming na chikiting. And we're gonna eat some breakfast. Have pancake.
Lahat yung kapatid lahat.
We have some French toast with butter.
Yeah, I know. singing you.
Nakba.
Oh, hey guys! Watch this! Watch this, Mom.
Wow. So there she is swimming, and here's the view of El Palacio Hotel. This is located in Noveleta, Cavite.
Stay here. And everyone, you know I'm here. But now, you can't. Now it's emergency. Very important because watch this. That's what he just did. And
Hi everybody! So we have finally checked out. Tapos na ang staycation series natin. This is the end of the episode 2 of our staycation series here in El Palacio Hotel in Noveleta. What can you say about our staycation today, anak?
I don't want it to end
You don't want it to end? Why?
because I really love staying on hotels.
Yeah, and swimming, right?
Yeah,
How was your swimming?
it was great.
Was great and the water was warm?
Yeah, they were both cold and warm.
Ooh, I can see you liked it so much. So come invite them to watch our staycation series episode 3.
Okay, you watch our upcoming series. Please.
Pupunta naman kami ngayon sa Sasahama. It's a Japanese restaurant. Bago natin i-end yung vlog na to, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga food. And excited na ako because we love Japanese food.
I
Don't
want some
we?
ramen.
Ramen.
Yeah, ramen with some chopsticks.
I want sushi.
Me too. I love sushi.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
So we're now here in Sasahama Japanese Restaurant. Dito na kami kakain. I'm so excited. Thank you. Purple.
It's the ramen.
And they are serving this towel and then chopsticks. How are you using it?
Wipe with your hand.
They're locked.
So, our orders arrived. Here's for Kayla, Katsudon, Demigorgon. Demigorgon. pinahiwalay namin yung sauce and may kasama ng fruit and miso soup and side dish. I have salmon sashimi and han curry rice. Meron na ding miso soup and then apple. And here's the big omu curry rice with side dish, apple, and
So, meron sila dito mga comics nandun sa likod. Ang dami nila. Ang saya lang guys. O, tingnan nyo. Yung laman kasi niyan, syempre hindi natin maintindihan. Naalala ko lang kasi yung Archie na comics dati. Yan, adik na adik ako dun. Yan, parang ganito kasi. So, hindi ko maintindihan. Yan. Eating time.
So, meron tayong salmon sushi, uni sushi, unagi sushi, and tani sushi. And we're just waiting for the maki. And here's the California maki. Looks like authentic lahat ng Japanese food kasi Japanese yung may-ari nito. It's time to try the salmon sushi. Very fresh. Kahit makapal siya.
Bigyan mo na lang yun.
Where's your sushi? Tama?
Where's your shirt? Where's your shirt? This is the where's your shirt?
Ay, ang dami.
Where's your shirt? California in the house.
Sarap ng timpla ko ng sauce. Sarap. Let me try.
Okay. Sarap.
Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, it's so yummy.
Sarap yan. And here's the omu curry rice.
Alam ko sa may kanin sa loob na tastes like ketchup. No.
Now, I'm gonna try. This is the unagi, kani, and salmon. Uni, sea urchin. You wanna try?
No. And do you know what? That is uni.
Uni, same as uno.
Lasang wasabi. May wasabi pala sa loob. What can you say?
I cannot say anything.
Legit yung Japanese rice nila. I'll try the unagi. Pag ako unagi, naalala ko yung Friends. Si Ross. Unagi.
Unano. Wow.
Wow! Unagi. Ah!
Ganyan mang kumain yung mga dragon kasi ba? Kailangan magbuga ka muna ng apoy mo.
I love salmon. Ang fresh ng salmon nila. Look at that. Tapos ang thick ng cut. Try this. Tinanggal ko na yung wasabi. Sausaw mo na lang sa ano. Is it yummy? Yummy.
May anghang pa din.
Wasabi pa din.
Damang baba.
Hindi kasi nakikita yung food guys, sa pakita namin sa inyo.
Babang baba. Lumuko ka kasi.
Salmon sashimi.
Ang kapal ng ano sa sashimi. Tsaka yun. Ang kapal. Alam mo yung mga salmon sashimi, gusto ko talaga yung may rice.
Eh di sushi yun, di yun sashimi.
Salmon sashimi. Harap.
Ito pa.
Harap.
I'm full na. Cheers. Meron din sila yung side dish nila guys. Ano to? Cabbage or lettuce. Pero masarap siya. Now, meron tayong laro. Game. Tatago natin yung wasabi. Dito sa California Maki. Okay, game.
Ayoko no, please. Wasabi yun.
Tapos pipili ka lang ng ganyan. Yung isa walang wasabi.
Isa lang yun. Kapag-swerte naman nun. Ayoko.
Are you ready?
No, ma-hospital ako niyan. Ay, tigilan mo
Ito
yan.
yung wasabi.
No po.
You ready?
Don't eat the... Mommy, don't eat under the wasabi.
It's so spicy. Trip mo
Ready?
na? Trip mo?
Wasabi, 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 wasabi. No wasabi, no wasabi, no wasabi.
Ba't di mo na ako pakainin ng wasabi?
Close your eyes.
may laro ka pang nalalaman. Kaya hindi ko na gusto mo pakain mo na lang.
Sige.
Yung mo.
Papakita ko ulit sa inyo guys yung kapal ng salmon sashimi. Dito sa Sasahama. Look at that. Super kapal. See? And fresh siya. Madalas na kumakain dito guys, mga Japanese. Subo Inutusan niya ako guys. Para subuan ko siya.
The dragon is sometimes sweet. Mga negative 1%. Pero bumubaga na.
Yung wasabi matitikman mo sa dulo. Andyan sa dulo. Natikman mo na.
Oh. Naka-prepare na yung water. Water. Ako mga trip.
Ayan na.
Ano ba? Totoo ba?
Nag-kick in na.
Hindi lang ako atak.
And there's the dessert, apple. Yummy, apple. Tapos na kami kumain. Bail out na kami. Actually not medyo, pero authentic talaga yung mga servings nila dito. Sobrang lalaki, like serving sa Japan.
Oh.
Tapos, madami kaming in-order. Mga in-order namin. pan curry rice, salmon sashimi, salmon sushi, uni sushi, unagi sushi, kani sushi, California maki, omurice curry sauce, katsudon, demigura. Lahat yun masarap. Tapos may dessert na apple. But dahil tapos na rin yung Mother's Day, and back to work na, back to regular programming, dito na namin tinatapos ang vlog na to. This is our Staycation Series Episode 2.
Wala mo yan. Asan dyan?
Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, the next vlog. Bye!